It is a great pleasure for me to be able to introduce the project which is called Libra. Libra is a European project addresses issues related to gender balance, in particular in the research environment. This has been set up as part of an effort that the EU Life Alliance wanted to bring together. The beginning is to start with assessing the situation in the different institutions throughout Europe. The different countries have different assets and liabilities. So some aspects have already been dealt with in a manner that is satisfying, and that can be potentially translated in other places. For the Institut Curie, our task was to concentrate on one particular item which has to do with career development.
At Institut Curie, we want to establish an inclusive culture that works for everybody, not just for women, but for everyone who comes here with their different backgrounds. It's very important for us to create a good working environment that encourages people to follow their career ambitions, but also allows them to lead a full life outside of work, whether they have a family or not.
Those various stages of your career start from PhD student to postdoc, junior group leader, senior group leader, unit director, and why not director of a research center like ours here at the Institut Curie. Each of those stages has specific demands for administrative purposes, involvement in your scientific career, or work-life balance. We try to accompany those various stages as best as possible, giving the right amount of HR input and the right involvement. This involvement takes you from the earlier stages when you enter the research center to the senior positions, and why not to accompany you outside of Curie in the world of academia to wherever you might pursue your career. Why not come back as a group leader later on in your career?
I'm originally from Berlin, and I decided to come to Curie because before I joined the team here in Curie, I was at the Ludwig Institute for Cancer Research in San Diego. And this is actually where I met my PI, Daniele Facchinetti. So at the time, he was a postdoc in the lab next door where I was working. And we started talking, and he invited me to come to Curie.
When those people arrive at Curie, they bring their experience, their nationalities, their culture, and their dynamic within the research center.
When I arrived in Paris, I really appreciated that the research center Institut Curie actually supported me a lot to find an accommodation here in Paris first.
All of the 1,200 people who come here daily to work at the Institut Curie represent over 60 nationalities. All of them comes with one goal, being excellent in science, but also they arrive with their cultures, their diversity, and all of their differences. We are here to make sure that all of that diversity is brought together to create dynamic in science.
And when I came to Deborah Bourkis lab, I really first enjoyed the environment, the laboratory, the facilities, but also the people working there that were really friendly with me from the beginning. Before going to Curie, I did an internship in Heidelberg at the EMBL, and I really recognized the same environment there. They had great facilities, the labs were really good and nice. Is that I didn't feel this difference between women and men in research. That's a really important subject nowadays. But here in Curie, so first the Curie Institute is called for Marie Curie. The head of Curie was a woman during the time I did my PhD. My own boss was a woman, and in the lab we were 50% men and women. So I really liked this, that I always had a woman model for research. For this, it was something that I really liked in Curie, and that I felt really great for working there as a woman researcher.
I interviewed in several places, and I have to say that actually unconsciously I think the fact that there is a lot of women that are PI at Curie actually was a big factor in my decision, because for example, in other places in France, when I interviewed, I never met any woman actually in position of power. And so it was really striking to come to Curie and see that there are many women that actually have a position. So of course also Curie offered me a very good starting package and a very stimulating scientific environment. But I think this aspect it was also very important at that time.
The Institut Curie has decided to be part of the Libra project, not just as yet another study of the place of women in the workplace, but to go way deeper in the place of women as a scientist in the whole of a career in academia.
We've implemented many activities at Institut Curie to support these goals. We've organised workshops on unconscious bias. We've offered an interactive workshop on how to combine work and private life. And we've also had a number of lectures by scientists who've told the audience of how they have met these challenges. For many years, career branches have supported young researchers at the Institute, and we've also run a number of developmental programs aimed at young PIs and postdocs. Institut Curie has also implemented a mentorship program.
My dream is that women and men can really try to work together in a synergy. The differences of perspective is part of the diversity and the creativity, which we do like to promote in the curiosity spirit that we have at Curie.
Marie Curie and Irene Joliot had an impact on the presence of women in science, but it was not necessarily because they would apply what we would call today a positive discrimination. They were both head of a very important lab, the Laboratoire Curie of the Radium Institute of Paris, and they were very serious about their employees. They would say, both of them, that they consider men and women equal in all aspects of life, including science, and so they would just consider the CVs of the candidates objectively, not regarding their sex, the sex of the candidates.
I'm also a manager of a team, so I try to take into account the need of the people of my team. So for example, at the moment in my team I have a single mother, so she has to deal with her kids. So the way we try to find a good balance for her is that we discuss when she has issue, and I also let her work from home when it's necessary.
Through Libra, we have designed and organised a career development program especially aimed at female postdocs who want to follow a career in academia. And this course has been very successful, and I really hope that it will be continued in the framework of EU Life.
We have to transform it into something really dynamic that expresses the excellence of every single individual working here at Curie.
So something that I really like and that for me is really important when you do a PhD is to get along with people with who you're working. So all these colleagues that you can see on the picture are colleagues with who I work all the time, but are also friends with who we enjoy going out after the lab. The fact that we're really friends and that it's easy to talk to them is also a plus for science. I feel at least that now we really have a network of people, of scientists that are friends.
It is important that we keep working actively in order to encourage women to work in science, in the same spirit as the Curie family promoted for 2 generations. And this is something that is not a given, and this idea won't necessarily continue to be present unless we keep it present ourselves with specific programs of encouragement of women in science.
Job today is to cultivate that original DNA and make sure, in the name of HR excellence, that is still here in the years to come.
Finally, the practical thing is to get to a point where we can establish clear guidelines that recapitulate the different key points that we should take into account when trying to recruit and to follow career development, interact with people, and project them for their future.